Welcome ladies and gentlemen, and in this video I'm going to take you through the introduction to PowerPoint. This is the first thing you need to know. You come and look for your PowerPoint, which is here. I double click on it. It is loading as we wait for it to load. Now here it is loading. My PowerPoint is loading. Okay, now this is now. If you want to make a new presentation, you can click on this blank presentation. But if you want to work upon your other presentations, like we have these ones here, you can also choose out of them. You can use any of them if you want to use an existing list. But since I'm going to take you through the introduction, we are going to tap on this new blank presentation. We also have these other presentations outlines which are here, but let's take a blank presentation by tapping on it. Now once you tap on it, it takes us to this is that where you have to put your title. You have to put the title of your presentation, and then in the subtitle you have to put you introduce yourself. You introduce yourself, who you are, who is going to be presenting, and you give some other details about you. Now, where you can add other slides, you tap on this. You can choose any format you want to use. You can choose from here by tapping on it once. It brings a new slide, which is here. This is a new slide. Now, there is also another simpler way. You can insert another slide just by pressing Control M. You press Control M like this. It has brought another whatever for us, another slide for us. Now that's about our slides. Now you can add more slides. Now when we come to inserts, under inserts you can put tables, you can insert new slides, you can insert anything from these ribbons which are here. You can play with them. And then when you come to designs, you can also choose designs from here. You can use this, you can use any of them. But once you apply a design, it will apply to all the slides which you have. Here I'm using this design. Now under transitions basically talk of how one slide will move to the other. Now we have this of how the transitions will move in this ribbon. We have the fade transition, that's how it works. You can have the push, which is that. We have the sweep, we have others which you can also as well as take from here, or you can take for them from here. You can get many of them. That is another kind of transition. Now after choosing one like truss, you can choose this truss, and then you say you are applying it to all. Now you apply it to all, meaning that here when we shall be moving to the next slide, it's going to truss from beginning up to the end. Let's find it out when you come to slide. So you come to start from home. It has trussed the first one. It is trussing this. It is trussing this, meaning that our transition has been applied to all. Now let's look into animations. Animations basically talk of how the titles should flow in. Now let's begin with, before you tap on, now here we have the animations. We have these animations, but now they're inactive. Even though how much you try tapping them, they're inactive. Why? You have not tapped on what you want to be animated. Now we want to animate this title. Now we are here. Now here they have become active. I can tap on fly in, and then you see how it is flying in. Now for this sake, you can't apply it to all at once. You have to go one by one. Now for this, I'm going to tap on this. This is going to be what I want. So I'm going to tap on this title. So I will say, let it fly in. It will fly in just like that. So and that's how the animations are applied. When you come to slideshow basically is what I had done in the previously. you come to the slide. So where do you want this slide to start appearing from? Now, if it is if you are going to start your presentation, you have to start from the beginning. Now, this is where what you are going to do. Your slides will start from there. This is how they will be coming like that. Now, once it is done, it's done. Now, there are also other options that you can use when you want to make your slide. So you come to this icon here, you tap on it, and then your slides will appear, and then you'll just be playing with it, and then it will appear. That is an animation, and then this is the transition to the next. So friends, you can also edit, and you can insert other things. When you talk of insert, you can put your photo, you can put photos which are on the device, or you can put photos that are online. Let's get one online. It is taking kind of long, but now here you can now search for what you want to put. I want to put a picture of a gun. I want to put a picture of a gun. After typing that, I will press enter, and then it will search for guns. Let's wait for it. My internet is kind of slow. It's going to bring out here loading. Let's wait. Now here it has brought for us now different types of guns that I can choose. Now after choosing, I can select. Now let me select. I choose this. I can select this. It is saying here insert, but you can also view it to show that like this mark source that has been selected. Now I want to insert. I just tap on it, and then I'm going to insert this. It is downloading the picture one of one. So I'm waiting for it to download, and then after that I insert it. I'm just waiting for it to come, and then it's like an error card. While this is fine, it didn't work out. The picture didn't come really, but you can do it better when you come to pictures again. You can come to let's get it back again. Our photo is we are still waiting. We are looking for guns. Okay, we are going to search for guns. Let's wait for it to finish loading, and then we are going to use these community common used guns. I will tap on this. It is loading. Okay, here it has brought now the picture, the photo of the gun that we want. You can work on this. You can edit by tapping there. It can change the font color. You can adjust this by left clicking. You can bring it smaller. You can take it bigger. You can again reduce it from the left. You can play with it. You can drag it. You place it anywhere. This is all about editing. It depends on what you want to do. So friends, the many things that you can do and on personal basis when it comes to PowerPoint presentation and how you can get started with PowerPoint. Please don't fail to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I remain Obed Isaac from Gulu University, Uganda.